Well, it's boat day. I'm headed to Little River to help out Tony and his wife. Hang on, I might actually get up on the mast too. I forgot he has to put his flag up there, and he needs a new line ran up there. So if I'm lucky enough, I'll be able to go up on the mast. So we'll see. Either way, I'm on a boat helping out, figuring it all out. Here we go. We are at Cricket Cove Marina, and I am about to help Tony. Knock, knock. What's up? Good, how you doing? Where are you at? Oh, back here.
So, moments later, Brandon had agreed to go aloft up the mast to replace our flag line.
Here goes Brandon.
Feels good. I can probably move these straps probably a little bit further. Yeah, I'll just move. I'm gonna move these straps. Oh, hold on.
All right, now look. Here's the catchy part. Thank you.
Oh yeah, oh you got that.
With the winch, I'm gonna let you down a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
All right, it's just gonna kind of go down like this. All right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm on the ground. So.
That's what it's gonna feel when you come.
That's gonna be easy. What's the wind blowing?
Oh, it's that quick, yeah.
So I asked Dargan, that owns the jet ski company, who's also a climber and has been aloft before, to come over and double check our rigging.
How does it feel?
That's good.
That feel good?
Yeah.
Looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not all the way up here. Yeah, that feels great.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. No
Thank
worries.
you.
That didn't mean to bother you, sorry.
No, you're good.
Heck, I
And
could
here's
hang out here
Brandon swinging in the air from the mast.
I could just do this all day. Let's get out there.
Got crew Brandon.
This is how we break our crew members in.
Going up to help us hook up our flag line.
How we feeling? Good.
Hey.
I couldn't even imagine if it was blowing. 205 pounds, not a pound more. I weighed myself this morning. Good.
Do up a little bit more?
Whoa, wait. Let it wind.
First time going aloft. That was easy.
You've done something I haven't. There you go. You got me one up.
Yay.
Good job.
Nice. Hit you. Not sure how good I am at this. It doesn't look. And there you go. I don't think it's going to go anywhere.
I think that's it.
There you go.
We'll take it. We'll burn it in though. Right there.
Yeah. Get your flamethrower out.
Yeah. We need. I gotta get one more. Well, it ain't gonna have a whole lot of. Yeah, that's definitely. I think that's good.
Real
Gotta
big.
find another one of these. We gotta look down there. I'll look see.
Okay, here I've got a carabiner and I got a halyard hitch tied in it. So it'll clip on here. Like so. Then I also have one here that goes through this loop on the flag hitch here. So anyway, we're gonna see if I get a flag fly.
Who's blowing a horn?
The party boat's going by.
Oh.
Pontiki, Myrtle Beach.
We'll be pirates today.
That's not gonna work. Oh yeah, maybe.
I have it upside down.
Oh yeah, it is.
There you go.
It needs to be.
Next episode on Dreamweaver.
What's that?
5 things we learned to make 2025 the best.